Hey all, today we're looking at this. This is a wireless controller adapter for the Super NES and Super Famicom. It runs the BlueRetro open source firmware, and it is from RetroScaler. So let's open it up. Okie dokie, so we'll just pull it out. Inside we have the manual, and we have the adapter. And that's everything inside the box. In the manual, we have various types of controllers we compare to. We'll probably use a Super NES controller for the Nintendo Switch, and a Xbox One controller. Okay, so we have our console, we have our adapter. We'll just plug it in, just like that. We'll get a game, pop it in, and turn it on. Okay, so it's flashing down there. That means we can pair a controller. I have a Nintendo Switch Online controller, and we'll just push the pairing button on the bottom. And sure enough, it's found the controller. And now, if we look up on our screen, we can play wirelessly. And you can see it controls just as if we had a wired controller. And we could use a different controller, such as an Xbox One controller. Just push the button again to put it back into pairing mode. It's flashing, and now we just hold the pairing button on our Xbox One controller. And now we can play our game with the Xbox One controller. The thing about the BlueRetro is you can control the firmware from your computer. So all you need to do is push this again to put it back into pairing mode and head over to a computer. Let's do that now. This is BlueRetro.io, and here we can change our advanced configuration options for this device. Click Advanced Config, connect BlueRetro, and you should see it in the drop-down menu as long as your computer has Bluetooth. Click Pair, and we can change all kinds of settings. You could specify a particular mapping you want to modify, such as the Switch Super Nintendo controller, and then you can reprogram the buttons any way you like. You can also do an over-the-air firmware upgrade. Again, you connect to the device. As you can see here, we're on version 24.10 dirty, and there's a new version on itch.io. You just navigate to the itch.io, download the firmware. I recommend donating, and download the latest one. This is Hardware 1, so just download Hardware 1. Okay, so you'll click Choose File, and you'll pick Hardware 1 SuperNES.bin, and open, and you'll press Update Firmware. This takes a few minutes, so step away, get a coffee, and come back. And just like that, we're on the latest firmware. And that about wraps up everything you need to know about the BlueRetro adapter for the Super Nintendo. If you're interested in picking one up for yourself, there is an affiliate link in the description below. And if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.